take her. We're off. We're gonna stop and get coffee. Then we're gonna spend the week in Carpinteria. Mike and I are celebrating our graduation with this trip. We got our bachelor's degree in kinesiology and history. Done with that, and we're moving to Idaho soon, so things are happening. This is like our last week. We can just chill, have fun. I wanted to open, I got a little card from my mom. She was so sneaky and left it on the table this morning when we were leaving. She's like, hey, I left you something. And so I'm gonna open it. This is so cute. It's a grad card. Celebrating everything you've achieved in your bright, fun future. We got to the campground. I'm actually gonna change into these pants because it's kind of cold. Let me see. Can you see that? This is our bed in the back. We just parked and we're in the back row. So we just walk through and can get to the beach that way. On this side we have our table and then our fire pit. Someone left their stuff. So bathrooms are over there. And then there's bathrooms over there. That's where Mike is right now. We're gonna go get some food. It was kind of a long drive. We decided to stop and get some In-N-Out, and that was so good. Oh my gosh, we needed it. Just dead. I literally did not sleep very well the past 2 nights. Driving up here, I was like, I need to stop and get a coffee. And then when I ordered my caramel macchiato, it was like so weak. It tasted like there was half a shot in there instead of 2. So I just am still so tired. We're just gonna chill. My absolute favorite, oh, there's a bunny. My favorite store here, Twice as Nice, is like this really cool consignment store. They always have the best deals and finds. Like I got a pair of trousers that are like a French Riviera brand. And I think they retail for like 120 bucks, or no, 400. And I got them for like $25. So there's just a lot of like really cool things that you can find in this consignment store. So I'm really excited to check it out. I got rid of half of my closet to prepare for moving. I'm going to refill my closet with things that I love. I don't know if you can like see. We have our the sleeping bag on top. Is to keep all the water off because at night it can get really wet. So we have the sleeping bag on top, and then we have our duvet from home. It's gonna be super warm because it gets so cold here. We have this foam mattress. It's not an air bed, and we're gonna be here for like 4 nights. So we wanted to be comfortable, and we are gonna be comfortable, but we don't have wood or roasting sticks yet. I think that because we don't have wood tonight, I kind of want to go get some food, grab a toothbrush, and then maybe just come back and watch the Grimm, like just a chill night. I don't know. I don't think I need a fire tonight. So
I'm just gonna set up a little bit more. You can just fold it so it's not like, you know, huge, but then kind of lay it down here. I've got some stakes to pin down one side of it, and then I'll use the rocks on the other, and then we'll kind of, I think it'll be better than just the dirt, so we'll have like kind of like an entry mat.
I'm okay with,
you know,
just climbing in, like kicking my shoe against the truck, you know.
I kind of want something that's more
Okay.
for me.
Okay, that's acceptable. ducks later. We went and got the goods. Oreos, peanut butter, apples.
Burgers and kombucha.
Yes. It's so cold. We're gonna go on our walk and then probably go get burritos.
There's a lot of those.
Cheers. I got a coconut cream turnover and a cappuccino. And we're just hanging out before anyone really is up. Oh, it's so good.
No, the dog was looking at mom. Maybe it's mom. I thought it was looking at me.
Mike is gonna go do a cold plunge. I am not doing that today because we are going shopping and I do not want to do that right before we go shopping. Let's see. It looks so cold. I think his goal is a minute. That must be so uncomfortable. I will report back. Usually we walk on the beach in the morning, but we just walked into town, got burritos and coffee, and that was super fun. And then we're gonna go shopping and probably go to Santa Barbara because we did not sleep well last night. So we're gonna get some CBD oil and try that tonight so that we can sleep. And then we still have 3 nights here. In about 45 seconds. He might stay in longer than a minute. It looks like he's chilling. Look at those. Cute. Nice. Dude, I think that was longer than a minute for sure. How do you feel? Cold?
Not anymore. It was really bad in the beginning, and then I was like counting, like I'm gonna stay in for like 100 seconds. And then I was just like, nah, man, we don't count. We just stayed here. And I just stayed there. And then yeah, cold shock went away like pretty quick. I don't know. Yeah, it's like totally mind over matter. I mean, it sucks in the beginning. It's a physical shock, but it's just mind over matter. I'm really proud of myself for that one.
Yeah, good job.
I've hated cold water my whole life.
Good job.
Thanks.
This is free.
Actually,
is it warm?
By comparison.
Oh, that's
you
good.
Have to, well, you don't have to, but if you want to, put your hand in the water and tell me if it's actually warm. Because it feels like really warm.
My bad tan line. Oh, yeah, it's not that bad.
It's like lukewarm, right?
Like I think if well, that's just my hand. If I wasn't wearing any clothes, I'd kind of be cold. But yeah, they have actual showers in there that you can pay for and get warm water with tokens, but this is free and cold. We have these like dark blue fingerprint marks or something right here. I don't know, there's like just there, I guess. How do you feel now?
I feel really good now, like really, really good. That was the hardest part of the day. I did it, so I own the day.
You're good. So proud of you. I forgot my brush. this purse, so cute. This Fury dress, super cute. This Nike running jacket, and it's so cute. Can you see it? Those are the things. We finally made it. Time to chill. Ooh. Okay, this is the best place ever. This, I got the Sacrifice, and it's essentially just like super dark chocolate with, I don't know if you can see that, dark chocolate with a ton of different spices in it. And it's so thick and it's so good. You get the spice after. Little one. Yeah, we're not looking. It's so side by side. I got a kids meal. I don't think I've ever gotten a kids meal from Carl's Jr. But I just did not want very much. So what are they? Okay, I asked for crisp cut fries. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know if that comes in a kids meal, but he was so nice. And I got a toy. I love that he included the toy. I am probably not gonna play with this. Just put it in here.
Rocks that were like submerged.
Yeah.
And so I kind of laid down.
Super low right now.
Yeah.
Oh, sea snail.
Oh, sorry, sea snail.
Yeah, he's like, come back. With this beach, we have these tar pits, and I think I remember my mom telling me that in this area, the Native Americans would use this tar to seal up their canoes. So every year I would get tar in my bathing suit and on my body just from walking around. But this is what the tar pits look like. So if you can see, that's just all tar. It's hardened, but tar is really sticky and hard to get off. You have to use oil-based products. Like I think peanut butter works because it's oily. We just use Goo Gone or coconut oil. So this is tar. It's really easy to just get on your feet. See those spots?
We're in Alaska.
Alaska.
Sandals.
Oh. I haven't seen this like this.
Yeah.
It's kind of cool. Really flowing today.
Well, shall I carry you across, my lady?
Our ritual so far has been to walk into town to visit Ronaldo's bakery on Linden Street, Linden Avenue. And we get the breakfast burritos.
So good.
To go. They're so good. I think it's like, if anyone's interested, $26 for 2. And then we walk to the Lucky Llama and get coffee. And it's so cute. Okay, we came back to State Street. And I should have filmed the inside of the Turkish shop, actually. So this was the place. Welcome. And then look. I got the pistachio, strawberries, and cream. I don't even know what this one's called, but it's so, so good.
So pink.
Me too. We're gonna go do a cold plunge.
Oh, I need to shave my chest.
Sweetie.
Sorry, everybody.
Okay, ready? We just did a run. So we're really warm, but I'm getting kind of cold, so I gotta run. Come on. The water feels good. Oh gosh, look at my... That was really fun. I actually went back and I swam a little bit longer. It was really fun. I'm kind of afraid of sharks just because, I don't know, as I get older, I'm just more afraid of sharks for some reason. So I stayed really shallow and just kind of sat down, and then I just saw movements and I was like, oh, time to go. So it's probably just seals because there's lots of seals here too. It was really good. Water is so healing, and I really needed that this morning, just with like hate comments on social media and just fun stuff like that. So I really enjoyed going out with Mike. Do you feel good? You're cold?
Yeah, but it feels good.
Yeah, it just feels good. You can't throw it! Sweetie!
Here.
Now it's wild. Here, I'm gonna throw a whole loaf. Not loaf, piece. Oh no! Got wild real quick. The ducks are just chilling.
Carpinteria State Beach is in Santa Barbara.
Okay, on Linden Avenue, we also have this cute mural for Carpinteria's World's Safest Beach. Pretty sure. One time I googled it and it actually did say Carpinteria. And then over on the street, Linden. And then you have Robitaille's. This is like the best candy store. Pretty overpriced, but just super fun. What?
He saw my ice cream.